an animal that hides as soon as the sun rises. Light is its biggest enemy. But why? Did you know that a mouse's eyes work almost blindly in daylight? So how does it move so perfectly at night? Find food and avoid danger? The answer lies inside its body. The number of rod cells in the retina of a mouse's eyes is much higher than any other cell. These cells help it see even in low light, but it can hardly distinguish colors. So the bright light of the day creates an almost painful sensation in its eyes. But the eyes are only part of the story. Inside the mouse's nose are millions of smell-sensing cells, and the whiskers are tactile rooms on both sides of the mouth, which even in the dark tell the location of every object around it through touch. A part of the brain is designed just to process the information coming from these whiskers. But here is the real mystery. The mouse was not born nocturnal. Scientists say that this is the result of a long-standing survival strategy. For millions of years, predators like hawks in the sky and jackals on the ground were the biggest threat to rats during the day. Those that were able to stay active at night survived and reproduced. Thus, through determined natural selection, the entire species gradually became nocturnal. Scientists call this behavior nocturnality, and it is now embedded in the rat's genes. And here is the real mind-blowing information. The biological clock inside the rat's body, called the circadian rhythm, is controlled by a small part of the brain called the suprachiasmatic nucleus. This part is not only activated by sensing darkness, rather it prepares the rat before sunset every day by increasing its body temperature, hormones, and alertness. This means that rats do not just respond to darkness, their bodies already know that night is coming. So the next time you see a rat running silently in the dark, remember that this is not just running away from fear. This is a perfect schedule of millions of years of evolution, which is activated anew every night.